I think we're overboard. Fighting in the backseat, saying things we don't mean. We can't keep score no more. Writing names in concrete, drunken after parties. I turned my hotel room into a garden, into a garden. Flying friends to lose. I was so honest, little too honest. When I told her love's like an atom bomb, pressing down on your shoulders, pull my thoughts in a folder, bury them till I'm dead and gone. Don't read them out the way till dawn. Pictured in my head, take me into your place.